Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, starting off with Euro USD and a couple of things that are brewing. So, we're still very much sort of testing this flag. It's getting to be a weak flag at the moment, but this trend line is fairly strong, and we're above the moving averages again, but they still haven't crossed over. They're still in a bearish view, and they're also flat. So I suspect we are waiting for data, but the reason why I just put this level in, big cup and handles. So this area is very important, 106899. I want to see a stronger move past it and then a pullback. So looking at yesterday, we have finally found some support on the moving averages. So you can see we've been battling with it for most of last week. We were trying to get above and below, and now yesterday we came back, tested it, didn't quite come onto the structure. I suppose if I just do this, that tail there looks like the one that we paid attention to, and if I just drop down to 15-minute for a second, you'll see pin bar and then a bit of structure. There's another 15-minute opportunity, just a little bit lower. Just want to get it there. So you can see two attempts there. There's an attempt, and you can see that's exactly what happened. So pin bar just missed it, big engulfing bar, then a big engulfing bar. There's your trigger up there on top of the close. Stop below that 127 point stop loss, and immediately we got going for 600 points gain. So trend is up. As far as I'm concerned, you're looking for opportunities to buy. You're looking for pullbacks onto structure. This first one has been done. I would say you have 106452 to worry about, and then also 106580. That should pull back onto this trend line as well. And then you're looking for a decent bit of price action to indicate a bounce, and then you are looking to break above this area here. Bear in mind, big cup and handle, so decent break above that, decent retest is going to give you a move roughly of 1,617 points. Moving on to the US dollar Japanese yen. Still no structure brewing. We are testing this level again. We did test it yesterday, 135,348. If we drop down to the hour, the buyers are still trying to prop this up, but look, we are in amongst the moving averages. So this is still my line in the sand, 135,348. I need to see us start dropping below that, which would set up inverse cup and handle. So there would be the cup and there would be the handle. So that's a structure there. So this one I am sitting on the sides until we see a break and a retest of 135,348. Moving on to pound, British pound, Japanese yen. We sort of ranged yesterday, tested, and now we're breaking above. Personally, I think we're still ranging. That's structure you can see. We do have a bit of a crossover brewing at the moment, but look at my oscillators gripping to the upside. So this is sideways. I would be very cautious here, and you might as well just put that level in. That is probably your ultimate top of the range. So we need to see a proper break and retest before I get involved in this at the moment. So this is sideways, can go anyway. I might as well just get your coins out and start flipping, because that's probably the best way to pick up a trade on British pound, Japanese yen. Moving on to euro, British pound, volatility continues. If you look at this on the 3-hour, on the 8-hour, all over the place, above and below the moving averages. Got a bit of a crossover here on the oscillators. Strong move up, decent pullback onto structure. We did get an inside bar there and then a move. If we look at this on the hour, you can see, as I said yesterday, this is what you were looking for, and we broke away, came back, got onto it quite nicely. If you look at the 15 minutes, moved down, there's your inside bar, bit of a tail, break above it, that's what you're looking for. It's a 71 point stop loss for wherever you are now, 370 point gain. So for me, it does look like we are confirming an uptrend. My concern here is this level that we are battling with right here. So I would say I need to put two levels in here, so just give me one sec. There we go. I would say I'm looking for a move back to 088653 or alternatively 088565. Pay attention to these oscillators. Remember, when they separate like this and they cross over, it's normally an explosive move, and that would be to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for. Pull back into this area, definitely an opportunity. You might as well have a 15-minute chart open because there is a little bit more structure that you've got here if you just look to the left. So you can see price is kind of hovering here at an area as well. So just looking at the logic here, strong move up, go like a strong move, pull back, strong move, flag, strong move, flag, flag break, and then market closes. Range, Asian session is what should be happening. So you could also look at the London breakout strategy. First 8 1-hour bars, draw your line on the top, line on the bottom, break to the upside, you're looking for a move up. If you do break to the downside and you stay in the structure here, then you're aiming for one of these two areas here to buy off. That's going to be 088565 or 088653. That's kind of what my view is today. It does look pretty interesting. I think Euro British Pound and Euro USD is the ones to watch. The Japanese yen pairs are lagging a little bit. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.